Has your Toshiba TV screen mysteriously vanished, leaving you staring at a blank display? Worry not, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps on how to fix your Toshiba TV screen disappearing and get back to enjoying your favorite shows in no time. Whether it's an easy DIY fix or a deeper issue requiring professional help, we'll help you diagnose and solve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check the power connection. The first step in addressing a disappearing screen is ensuring your Toshiba TV is properly powered. Start by checking the power cable to make sure it's securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. It's also a good idea to inspect the outlet itself by plugging in another device to confirm it's delivering power. If the TV still doesn't respond, try using a different power cable or outlet to rule out cable or outlet issues. Step 2. Examine the remote control. Sometimes the issue might not be with the television, but with the remote control. Replace the batteries in your remote and ensure it's functioning properly by checking if other buttons like volume or channel controls work. If you're using a universal remote, reset it and reprogram it for your Toshiba TV. You can also try using the power button on the TV itself to rule out remote issues. Step 3. Inspect the HDMI and other AV connections. Loose or malfunctioning cables can often cause the screen to disappear. Inspect all HDMI, component, and AV cables to ensure they're firmly connected. Try unplugging and replugging each cable to ensure a secure connection. If the problem persists, switch the HDMI cable or port to see if a different cable or connection resolves the issue. Additionally, make sure that your input source is set correctly. Use the TV remote to cycle through the input options and select the appropriate source. Step 4. Perform a quick power cycle. A power cycle can often resolve unexplained issues, like a disappearing screen. To do this, turn off and unplug your TV from the power source. Wait for about 10 minutes before plugging it back in. This allows the TV to reset itself and can clear temporary faults with internal components. Once the TV is plugged back in, turn it on to see if the issue has been resolved. Step 5. Update firmware. Outdated firmware might cause screen issues or prevent resolution. Check for available firmware updates by navigating to the settings menu on your Toshiba TV. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Go to the update section and follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware. Keeping your TV firmware up to date can prevent various technical hiccups. Step 6. Seek professional help. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be time to consult a professional. Contact Toshiba's customer support or a certified TV repair technician for further diagnosis and repair. It's possible that the issue is with the internal hardware, which might require professional servicing or parts replacement. Troubleshooting a disappearing Toshiba TV screen involves checking connections, ensuring power and input sources are correct, and sometimes performing a quick power cycle or firmware update. Always prioritize checking these approachable solutions before reaching out to professionals. If the issue persists, seeking expert help will likely be the best course of action. With this guide on how to fix Toshiba TV screen disappearing, you can hopefully resolve the issue quickly and get back to your viewing experience. Enjoy your favorite shows with a perfectly functioning TV screen.